Medical dude here, and today we are going to derive the formula for area of a trapezoid. So let me draw the trapezoid. It's not that good, but I'm sure you could draw better at home. We'll call this base 1 and base 2. Kind of like thing 1 and thing 2. These are the bases. Because these lines are parallel, I'm going to break this up into sections, and the height that I use, right here and right here, they will be the same. Those heights are equal, and because they're altitudes, they make 90 degrees. We have 3 sections: triangle, rectangle, triangle. We'll find the areas of each piece, and then we will put them all together, and you will have your area of your trapezoid. So, I can call this B1 because this base is the same as this. These two are the same. For this, I don't have a base, so I'm going to use a letter. I'll use X. You can use any letter you want, except for the ones written there, and you cannot use the letter O, because O will look like a 0, and a 0 will remind me of my ex-wife, not the letter X. So here we have it. Very good. On this side here, I could use another letter, Y, but I already have enough letters, so I want to use this in terms of the letters I have. So what I can do is, if this whole thing is B2, then this piece is the whole thing, take away these two. So it's B2 minus these two pieces together, X plus B1. So it's B2 minus X plus B1. Now, let's find the areas. This is area of triangle 1. This is area of this shape is a rectangle. And this is area of triangle 2. Okay? So let's work on what those areas are. Area of triangle 1 is just 1/2 the base times the height. So it's 1/2 of X times H. That's it. Area of the rectangle is just length times width, or height times base 1. So I have base 1 times my height. This one, area of triangle 2, is equal to 1/2 this whole base times the height. The whole base times the height. Now, we can solve this. Well, in the parenthesis, I have B2 minus X minus B1 times the height. And I can put this all together. Keep the height. I have 1/2 B2 with the height minus 1/2 X with the height minus 1/2 B1 with the height. This is all. Now, all I have to do is add all these together. This one, and that one. Okay. So this is going to be our area of the trapezoid. Well, This is a B1H, and here's a half B1H, a negative half B1H. So a B1H minus half a B1H leaves me with half a B1H. Right? And I'm glad the 1 is there. Otherwise the BH would sound like biatch. So it's B1H. Now, we've done this with this. So those are done. Now, I have a 1/2 XH. I have a 1/2 XH and a negative 1/2 XH. These cancel. So these are gone. And what am I left with is 1/2 B2H. So I'm left with 1/2 B2H. All I have to do now is put it in a simplified form. I put the 1/2 here. I add the bases there, and I leave the H on the side. It kind of gives the 1/2 BH of the triangle area, and this time you're adding the bases. So it's 1/2 B1 plus B2 times H. Well, this has been Radical Dude, and I hope you learned something.